Hi friends! This Advent season, as we prepare for Christmas, we are celebrating the different gifts that God has given us. This week, we're celebrating a special gift that God gives: unity for the divided. There's a lot of things that make us feel different. There's a lot of things that try to keep us apart. We learn differently, we act different, we look different, we're raised different, we think differently. All these differences can keep us apart. When we let things keep us apart, when we're all alone, it doesn't end well. But Jesus has a way of bringing people together. Jesus offers us the gift of working together and being on the same team. When we don't let our differences keep us apart, when we all work together, we get to experience the gift of God's unity. To hear a story about a time God brought people together who once disagreed about their differences, check out page 76 in the Jesus Storybook Bible. See ya!